Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you all can see by the title, this video is a giveaway hosted by DSoar Hair. We hit 60K about a week or two ago. So what better way to celebrate getting to the 60K mark with the giveaway. So again, thank you DSoar Hair for hosting this giveaway. This is going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to give you all the rundown of how the giveaway is going to go. All right y'all, so I'm going to give you all the rules. I'm going to also list them in the description box so that you can visually see them. So rule number one, you have to be subscribed to DSoar Hair's to their YouTube channel as well as my YouTube channel. They will be checking to make sure that you are subscribed to both, and make sure you are subscribed to DSoar Hair's channel as well as my channel. The second rule is that you have to be following DSoar Hair on their Instagram page, as well as follow me on my business page, Alexis Janelle Collection. I'm gonna leave the Instagram pages below. Again, make sure you're following DSoar Hair as well as my business page, Alexis Janelle Collection on Instagram. Rule number three, they want you to choose your 2 top favorite hairstyles from a list that they have provided. I'm going to put that list in the description box, as well as I'm going to put it in the comments. I'm going to leave a pinned comment so you can get to it easier. But you can click the links and just browse and see which hairstyles or which hair textures you like the best, and then leave your 2 top favorite hair textures or hairstyles in the comment section. When you're leaving the hairstyles, be sure to leave the number of the hairstyles you like. So if you like hairstyle 3 and 6, you'll just put number 3 and number 6 in the comment section. Also, when you're leaving your 2 top hairstyles, DSoar Hair, they want you to leave your Instagram as well as your email address in the comment section. So again, in the comment section, if you want to enter the giveaway, you will put your 2 top favorite hairstyles, leave the numbers in the comments, as well as put your Instagram name and your email address. They will be using your Instagram and your email address to contact you if you are a winner. So you definitely want to put your correct Instagram and your correct email address to be contacted. They are giving prizes out to 3 lucky winners, so there are 3 chances to win. So definitely light up the comment section if you are interested in entering this giveaway. If you want some free hair, honey, if you want some free bundles or any type of way to get some hair, definitely enter, y'all. Light up the comments. The prizes, I'm gonna go through them for you. The first prize winner, they're gonna get 3 bundles and a closure. The closure will be in lengths 18, and then the bundles will be in lengths 20, 22, 22. The second prize winner is going to win 3 bundles and a closure as well. You're going to win a 16-inch closure with an 18, 20, and 20-inch bundle set, okay? Also in the natural hair color. And then the third place winner, they're going to win a $20 off coupon code. The time frame to get your entries in starts today, the 27th, January 27th, and it goes until February 4th, which that is on a, let me look and see. February 4th is next Monday, so you pretty much have a week to get your entries in. There is no need to go in and spam the comments. So only entering one time. They're only going to count that one time. So once you put your top picks, your email address, and your Instagram name in the comments, that is your entry for the giveaway. Okay, so don't go spamming the comments, because if you do spam the comments, they will not count you in the giveaway. They will count your entry as invalid because you spammed the comments. So y'all, please don't spam the comments. I don't want you guys to accidentally be counted out of the giveaway for not following the rules. Now, they did want me to let you guys know that they are checking to see if you did follow all of the rules, every single rule. You didn't follow the rules to the T, that will also count you out as being a winner of the giveaway. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. But yeah, this is a great opportunity to win some hair, win some free bundles, or get some money off of your purchase. I hope you guys are excited about this giveaway. I thank y'all so much for getting us to 60K. I always say us because it's not just me. We are all a team. If it was not for you all, I know that's so generic, but if it wasn't for you all, I would not be where I am on this platform, and I just wouldn't be where I am today, honestly. Like, I thank you guys so much. You guys mean the world to me. I love you guys. I really do love y'all. If you have any questions, of course, about the giveaway, leave them down below. Get your entries in. Good luck to everybody that enters. One thing I do want to say, if you do not win the giveaway, please don't be mad, y'all. I hate when people get upset when they don't win a giveaway because they feel like they never win giveaways. It's you're gambling, y'all. It's a gamble. It's like you're going to the casino and putting in your money, honey. You may get you a nice jackpot and you may go home with nothing at all. You may go home in the hole. But just getting the opportunity to do it and to win something is a great opportunity. So don't be mad if you do not win. All right, y'all, I'm gone. I'm going to talk to you all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.